Today we are in a 2014 Ford F150 with the 3.5 EcoBoost. We just finished doing an oil service on it, so now it's time to reset the oil life meter. As you can see here, this one has the higher end cluster that you would see on the XLT and higher trim models. I don't believe the XLs have this. They have the old LED readout. But anyway, if you've got a truck with this readout, this is how you reset the oil life meter. So we find the steering wheel controls here. We hit the left button and then scroll down into settings. From here we hit the OK button or the right arrow and then scroll down to vehicle and hit OK, and then scroll down from here to oil life reset, and then here we can choose where we want our oil life meter to be at. In this case we want to reset it to 100%, so from here we hit and hold the OK button. And when you get this message, the oil life meter has been reset. So anyway, we'll go into information and go to system check. And we can see here that the oil life is now at 100%. So we just double checked that we properly reset the oil life meter. Anyway, I hope this video helped you guys. If you like videos like this and want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, click the like button, and as always, please leave any comments, questions, or concerns in the comment section below. Well, until next time, have a great day. Thanks.